Hello class 8. Now we are discussing the programming questions of chapter 9, exercise 9. Today the first question is question number 17. Write a program to input three numbers. And print the biggest among them. Import the util package for the using the scanner class. Class name biggest number. Public class biggest number. Creating the object scanner ob equal to new scanner. System out println enter first number int n1 equal to ob dot next int. Enter second number int nt equal to n2 equal to ob dot next int. Enter third number int n3 equal to ob dot next int. So already we have entered all the three numbers. Now check if n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3 also. Both sides it must be true. We are using the AND logical operator. If n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3, then print n1 is biggest number. Else if n2 is greater than n1 and n2 is greater than n3, that means the second number is bigger than the first number and again second number is bigger than third number also. So print n2 is biggest number. Else if n3 greater than n1 and n3 greater than n2. Else if the third number is bigger than first number and if the third number is bigger than second number also, then n3 is biggest number. And suppose if any two numbers are equal or all the three numbers are equal, then all this if else if statement will be false and no output will be there. So let us see the output of the program. So already typed. See, enter first number int n1, enter second number int n2, enter third number int n3. Compile the program. No syntax error. Enter first number, suppose 45, second number 67, third number 99. See, the 99 is biggest number. Now again check. First number, suppose 890, second number 56, third number 345. 890 is biggest number. Again once check. First number 12, second number 99, third number 88. See, 99 is biggest number. So we have checked the inputs and output. Now next question, today's next question is, write a program to input marks obtained by a student and print his grade according to the table given below. What you have to print? His grade according to table given below. So see, public class grade, scanner ob equal to new scanner. Now what is the grade? If the marks is greater than equal to 80, then grade is distinction. If marks is greater than equal to 60 and less than 80, then grade is first division. If marks is greater than equal to 45 and marks is less than 60, then second division. If marks is greater than equal to 40 and marks is less than 45, then pass. And if marks is less than 40, then promotion not granted. The public class grade, scanner ob equal to new scanner system.in, system out println enter marks, int m for marks equal to ob dot next int. If m is greater than or equal to 80, then system out println distinction. Else if m is greater than equal to 60 and m is less than 80, then print first division. Else if m greater than equal to 45 and m less than 60, then print second division. Else if m is greater than or equal to 40 and m less than 45, then print pass. And else if m is less than 40, marks is less than 40, then print promotion not granted. Alright, so let us check the output. Program 18. Okay. Enter marks int m equal to ob dot next int. If m greater than equal to 80, then print distinction. Else if m greater than equal to 60 and m less than 80, then first division. If else if m greater than equal to 45 and m less than 45, less than 16, and second division if else if m greater than equal to 40 and m less than 45, then pass, otherwise promotion not granted. Compile, no syntax error, close. Enter marks, suppose 90, so 90 is distinction. Again input, enter marks, suppose 75, then first division. Again enter marks, suppose 55%, second division. Enter marks, suppose 42, then pass. Now this time give less than 40, suppose 25, then promotion not granted. Okay, it was question number 18. Now next question, question number 19. Write a program to input three sides of a triangle. To input three sides of a triangle and check if the triangle is possible or not. Public class triangle, scanner OB equal to new scanner, system out println enter first side, int s1 equal to ob dot next int, system out println enter second side, int s2 equal to ob dot next int, system out println enter third side, int s3 equal to ob dot next int. If s1 plus s2 is greater than s3, or s1 plus s3 is greater than s2, or s2 plus s3 greater than s1. That means if the sum of side 1 and side 2 is greater than side 3, or sum of side 1 plus side 3 is greater than side 2, or sum of side 2 plus side 3 is greater than side 1, then print triangle is possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. Okay, so let us check the output. Already type enter first side, second and third side. Compile the program. No syntax error. Enter first side. Suppose 6, 7, 9. So triangle is possible. Okay. So this was question number 19. Now today's last question. Question number 20. Write a program to input two numbers and a mathematical operator. Mathematical operator means plus sign, minus sign, asterisk, slash, and modulus operator. So write a program to input two numbers and a mathematical operator and print the result according to inputted number, and print an error message for wrong operator. Error message for the what operator? Wrong operator. Okay. So import Java util.scanner, public class operator, public static void main, scanner ob equal to new scanner, system out println enter first number, int n1 equal to ob dot next int, system out println enter second number, int n2 equal to ob dot next int, system out println enter a mathematical operator, char op equal to ob dot next int, char at 0. If op equal to plus, then int s equal to n1 plus n2, print s. Else if op equal to minus sign, then int sub for subtraction equal to n1 minus n2, print subtraction. Else if op equal to asterisk, then asterisk for product, int p for product equal to n1 plus into n2, a system out println p. Else if op equal to slash for division, then division diff equal to n1 by n2, system out println division. Else if op equal to modulus operator, then int r for remainder equal to n1 modulus n2. And else we have to print wrong operator. Question is asking to print the error message. So what with error message you can print? System out println, system out println wrong operator, system out println wrong operator. Okay, this you can print when the inter operator is not the mathematical operator. When the inter operator is not the mathematical operator, then you can give a wrong message, wrong operator. Alright, now let us see the output of this program. Else system out println wrong operator. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Void main. First number, suppose 56. Second number 45. Mathematical operator plus sign. No, see, by mistake I entered equal to sign. So what message came? Wrong operator. Once again, input. First number, second number plus sign. See, sum. Again, this time give product sign. First number 12, second number 80, enter mathematical operator, asterisk sign. See, 960. This time give the division. First number, second number, slash 70.0. Okay, so we have ticked all the 4 programs. Right now today's class is over. Your homework will be to write all these programs and practice. Thank you.